Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll be seeing what is multi-chain web demo, how to install it and how to use it. So multi-chain web demo is an interface using which you can actually perform the transactions and execute certain commands. But it's best to actually have the command line first, usage of command line first, and then jump into the web demo rather than directly jumping into the web demo. So this is what I'm going to show you, how to install it or how to configure it. So let me just shift it here somewhere. Okay, so let me go open this GitHub page. So I'm going to see whether I have this. So I'll just shut down this multi-chain explorer. Of course, if you want to keep running the multi-chain explorer in the backend, you can use the no hub and then ampersand at the end. Okay, so we'll just now go to the home. First, I need to check whether my Apache is running, because for the multi-chain web demo, you need Apache. So, and the PHP, of course, you need to have there is a multiple minimum requirement for the web demo. So this is the multi-chain, sorry. Okay, so multi-chain web demo. Let me see, I think I have put the wrong link in the document. That's fine, I'll update it. So the minimum requirement is like PHP and Apache. So you need a good PHP, like 5 point at least X or later. And you need multi-chain 1.0 alpha 26 or later for this, right? So what we are going to do first is going to see if the Apache is running. So to check the Apache status, the command is Apache 2 should be together. So Apache is running. So we are serving on port number 80. So I know where I'm actually www is. So cd www. So if you see, I have actually some WordPress installed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove everything here. So we'll type sudo rm everything will be cleaned. So this folder is empty. So we're going to check out the web demo here first. So to check out the web demo, just copy this link again as we did in the explorer part. Write git clone and enter. Sorry, you need to have super permission. So I'm going to jump into sudo. Right, so if you can see, there is a multi-chain web demo. I'm going into this field inside this folder, and now we'll jump to this again description, how to install it. So create and launch the multi-chain blockchain. So we have already done that, right? We don't have to do it. So yeah, for temporarily you have to stop this and add this particular allow IP. So this allow IP is actually required because if your web server is running on the same computer as multi-chain D, you don't have to do that, because if it is running somewhere outside, because you need to ensure that in RPC this particular IP is explicitly allowed, right? So since we are running in the same server or the node, we don't have to actually do this particular section. So what we'll be jumping in, we'll be configuring directly the web demo. So as you can see that we need to understand the port number, what was the port into this multi-chain config. So I'll need to first see this multi-chain RPC username, password and RPC port. Then RPC port is already there, so we don't need to execute this command to get the RPC port. Next is just copy the config example.txt and make the and now sudo nano config.txt, added this file and ensure that you add things properly. So RPC host, it can remain actually your 127.0.0.1, because this is the same machine where the RPC host is running. The port number is something that you need to specify. RPC port, what was the port? Forgot it. Let me exit first. The port was 7450. Sorry. So I'll put it 7450. And RPC username, I think it's the same. So you need to copy the RPC password. Sorry, again I need to save this. Copy the RPC password. X, yes, and then save. That's it. You saved everything. Let me make sure that it has been saved. Yes, if you want different, the chain or name, then you can do that. Of course, you can also set the chain name. So I'm just going to use the chain one because I already set the chain one as a name in my previous chain. So I just saved everything. Right. All now you have to do is just go to the live. So I have this, public IP. So this is the same IP, right, where we were running the uh, multi-chain explorer. So since it is running on Apache port 80, I don't have to do anything. I'll just type multi-chain hyphen web hyphen demo and enter. Okay, so it is showing me to choose the available node, to start. So I'll just choose chain one. Now we have everything. I'll just try to zoom. As you can see, I have the all chain information here. I can add a new address. I can check the permissions, right? Current permission to this address, which is the node 1, and this is the address permission to node 2, right? You can also change the permission here. You can issue the assets. You can update. You can send. You can create a stream. Let's try to create a new stream here. Let's say TOSHE, my name. So I'm going to use my name as stream. So I just created a new stream. Good, wonderful. Right, item is not subscribed. So view stream. Right, I can publish the data on the stream even without subscribing it. So I'm going to use stream 2 optional key. I'm going to use this as a key text, whatever. My data multi-chain course as data. This is like some sample transaction. I'm going to publish this. So yes, I have this transaction ID with me. So now you can go and see the publish items actually. Sorry, not publish. You will view the streams. I'm going to just choose this subscribe 4 blocks. Subscribe. I have already subscribed now. Now I'll go to this stream. So as you can see, I can see the stream data. So similarly, you can add more data and make query. Like in this case, there are key 1, key 2. So if you click on key 1, it will show you the all data related to key 1, which is only just 2 data. So this is how you can use the multi-chain demo to actually perform transaction. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.